Hello, my name is Aaron, and I would like to introduce you to AmbrePole. AmbrePole is a powerful mobile application utility used to conduct survey of telecommunications infrastructure. And there may be lots of software out there used in the engineering processes of infrastructure design, but there appears to be very little as far as tools used to actually intelligently collect this type of data. And so AmbrePole is a breakthrough in this sense, but it is also a breakthrough in the sense that it not only offers the surveyor an incredibly efficient way of performing this task, but it also extensively quality controls it. If that's not enough, AmbrePole eliminates probably half of the downstream digital work, because when you're done a project, it exports a whole suite of valuable files. Take a look at the deliverables section of the website to see exactly what I mean. And so this little video is just demoing some of the steps a surveyor would take to lay out some of the elements. Here, they're adding some vector circles to triangulate the position of a guy pole, where the circle radiuses represent the span distances taken by the laser. But you can also place your elements by GPS or just by the imagery if you so choose. You'll also notice that there's adjustable snap settings and placement features just like you would find in a desktop CAD software. This CAD environment comes wrapped inside of a GIS environment, which was not too long ago considered to be two separate worlds. The uniqueness with this application, AmbrePole, is that all of this is tailored to be used by a field surveyor. We are attempting to bring tasks together to both eliminate the needless reiteration of data entry and to reduce at least a layer of what I consider to be pigeonhole disorder. Things just work better, in my opinion, when employees are more rounded and familiar with the upstream and downstream processes. But one of the attributes of AmbrePole that works for surveyors that keeps them from being intimidated and helps reduce the learning curve is that AmbrePole is a tool entirely dedicated to telecommunications survey. And so everything that the surveyor has to familiarize himself with in adapting to a modern digital approach, they already do. They just currently do it in a less effective way. AmbrePole provides the surveyor with a lot of shortcut tools. The fact that the whole infrastructure that they capture is networked with attribute continuity means it replicates or overlaps a copy feature, which I have always found surveyors to be passionately wishing that they had had. So when you begin your survey after you populate your first pole, and after your intersecting poles, when you move to your adjacent poles, they already have the attached system data ready for you. And the rest of the fields are defaulted with the values the same as the most recently saved. To keep from getting incorrect values due to lazy evaluation, however, you have to swipe your fields to accept these values. This is necessary to force at least a quick evaluation. When not accepting your default values, tapping fields brings up value lists that are fully customizable. You can easily add, delete, or reorganize values. And then if you deal with varying environments, different clients or different locations, for example, you can save your lists and your settings to setting sets to be retrieved as you switch projects. The settings that I refer to, besides your general settings like numerical format choice, such as feet, meters, or architectural, or snap offset settings, we have a list of quality control enforcement settings. This section allows a user or a project manager to define an enforcement to every attribute that they want captured in the survey. The remaining attributes can then be left as optional or omitted altogether to reduce detracting the surveyor's attention. When your quality control conditions are met, the pole flag's green. So I hope with this little video, you take the time to investigate us and try out our new innovation. Thanks for your attention.